We have money to invest, so thought I'd invest in crypto. But then Bitcoin crashed, so I'm looking for something steady, long term, or property, you know?
I get where you're coming from, yeah. You want, security, right? I get it. Are you still in Australia then?
Oh, no.
No?
Not anymore.
Okay.
My mum's still there.
Yeah, I see her sometimes, man. Supermarket. Lovely lady. Where's she live again?
Yes, that's the Parkstraat.
Oh, yeah, I knew that. 3 floors up with that balcony on the corner.
How do you know that?
Been there lots. It's tough for you, Mum. I remember the stairs. There's no lift there. How old is she?
Well, she's getting on now.
And Dad too, man. See it every day. He works too hard. Know what I think, bro? Yeah, you can go for the investments, but that takes too long. If you invest what? 80, 90K right now, you'll get there anyway with your streams. You'll have a house for your mum within 4 months. Easy, ground floor, outside space, 4 months, yeah?
Yeah, and I already told you, babe. She's not coming to live with us. I love her very much, but no way.
Don't get me wrong, long term's important. It is. Life is short. You have to take risks. Think of our parents. I mean, they came here for us. That's the whole reason we're here now, isn't it? Your mum, my dad. Time to give it back, man.
She'd cry with joy, you know? Let's try for 3 months, okay?
Sure, okay, yeah. Whatever you like. Yeah? We have a deal? Cheers. Welcome to crypto.
Chin chin.
Cheers.